Kubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. The dark is here to rule.
Congress's commitment to Meghalaya, empowering the women of Meghalaya. 3,000 rupees every month to every single BPL mother in Meghalaya.
5 commitments na kasing Congress na kabinta ka 5-star Meghalaya.
Menteri Rang Badu Keriu Narendra Modi unwan syaka jela Meghalaya haka arpasau terik ubnai rempang arhajar apulai. Ya kini la pentip dauba Ernest Mauri haba keren syakila pathai kubor haka arpu terik ha office rekam jangka Bharatiya Janata Party haka bau loong ba kani kade kesin ka baningkong hapok Meghalaya ba Menteri Rang Badu Keri India unwan banle yaka road show ka ban sedang haka por khatwei bejimin stamp nadu chalu para ter State Central Library. Andau la poi State Central Library Narendra Modi Leit Syntiew hadur mod Tirot na library pat anya chakandailan bat ban ajing kren chakipat ba kum shibenta ka Ïalap ya ka election MLA arhaja apulai na ka seng BJP.
Hadirin mengira Shillong ya meeting ban penkre ya ka jingwan Jong Prime Minister. Kani ka dikasin ka baningkong yang i po Meghalaya. Prime Minister uwan bande yang roadshow. Kani ka roadshow kan stang hakapor khatwei bejetik. Kan stang nang tei na po na jalu para point. Ter hadu ban poi po State Central Library. Da poi po State Central Library Prime Minister Leit ban bu Syntiew ya umot klakawai kari jongi Tirot Syntiew. Bat nang tupat dalam dep ban bu Syntiew sami na po State Central Library sayai sya polis bajar. Ha polis bajar kandon ke cing penkre ha ka bau address ya ke meeting pada dia nang tapat salai haino sya po sya opar Shillong. Unwan na po na opar Shillong daka helikopter. Kapoin ke ba arpat hang ni kalong ngilabu ya ke por khatwei hadu si beje. Krang bakan nom kta ya kalik kawan Jong ki balik trace po ki office prepare bat ki balik ki hospital khamtam mi ki khna school namar ba ka school kan sang sipo baje hadu si baje sten kamut ni kwa ba kane ka rally kabawan Prime Minister na kabanta ban Ïalap ya kani election kaban salong hakar punyu trik kanom pentut yanu na takadaw ngilabu ikapor khatwei hadu si baje steng unbino nang ni po nang ba Shillong salai pat syatura kandon ka public rally po tura bat kabalai ni kerpat ye kipai ba kibadon haposor Shillong bat kibanajan ru bakin yawan ban yeshim benta ban snap ya kajingkren Jong Prime Minister kumba pitip Prime Minister Narendra Modi udai Prime Minister uba pau ba bat udai ru President Jong ka G20 na try kan deka kabuksiar ki pai ba lar ki wan man snap ya kan deka roadshow bat kum jong ru ka jingkren ka jong khandiat kan soi haplen jong ki pai ba
school day. He said that there's an examination also there. He didn't want to disturb the students, particularly the students community. He said by the time he came to Shillong, all the students will be in the classroom. The moment he left the Shillong, by the time the school also will be getting over. So that's shown the positive thoughts, the thought process of our principal who thought always for the convenience of the public and the people.
No, we have taken care. We have already discussed with the district administration that they have to relax, not to seal all the road. Only particular road, then it will be sealed for some time. We will request them. Now also we are having a meeting with the Deputy Commissioner, with the SP and all the district administration. So we don't want that there will be such thing will occur for them.
Cause inconvenience to the public.
Kadang meeting po PB, namar kadang center, na po konsumsi Jong ibahek, rukiwan po PB, na 17 North ba hartan rukawan po PB, na konsumsi kebangang kontes 18 West ru kajan wan po PB, na po 19 South Shillong ru kajan wan po PB, nang ta sa kawai ru na po 16 East ru kawan ban join po PB, na po nong tumay konsumsi ru kadi kerja pedeng.
That's correct. Kalau sentar ya borok.
Sentar ya borok. But kalau kamdai ru ka government property. Pitip for election menta ngimla ban organize ya kanu ka program rally po ka government property. So kadi ka public property. Kaba handle kepada po ka municipal kadi corporation. That is the mean. Si kanta kanu kata. It won't take long. Prime Minister would address just for 20 minutes. Kamdai ka whole day program.
An ban lang sa kata ka Jong majigli Jong pi ka program Jong Prime Minister mo. Dada kalong kendong ru kalong khamya be. De kalong protect soru kalong khamya be. Mar kadi program Jong PM baru kit kwa badwan ban page ban skap ban wani kendu taban ban penpedu yo honorable Prime Minister jumi. Dikata dum lahi ban kier. Dekat ke bala administration ngate ladon ki polis ke SP traffic ladon bagi kita kan bala ban control ya ke traffic congestion kadang ba kenum cost dan ke inconvenient ya ki baj tengah tai.